This is Winston. That is Zoe. Lucky. What are they doing, Lucky? Oh, there they go. I'm sure Precious is on his shoulder. Yep, there he is. Winnie's tail is going. All you did was go to CVS. They really miss you. Jacob, what you working on over there?
I'm just doing a submarine.
Oh, wow. How many pieces is that?
1,077.
Holy moly. Let's see how it's coming.
No!
Precious, are you going to help with the submarine? You think so? Oh, I know Dad is packing up. He's leaving again tomorrow. Yeah, you going to miss him? He's got to go to work. Tony, where are you traveling to?
Miami area.
And we don't feel sorry for him. Yes, he's going to Miami. Yeah, he's got to go to work. We leave this crate open and Winston just goes in it. He gets comfortable. He just lays right down. So I guess that's his little hut. When he goes to bed at night, we just leave the door open and he jumps off the bed when he's ready and goes in the crate. Coming out? Okay. Okay. Winston was rescued from a puppy mill when he was younger. My daughter went in and just took him. I don't know how she managed to do that, but she did. He was in a tiny, tiny little crate with more dogs. He was so skinny and it was very sad.
Well, Lucky kind of took it because it's not
I
there.
know, he likes to go in there. Lucky's not too crazy about it.